We can explore ourselves, our mind, thoughts in our mind, and we can explore this thing through a model or through something else. We can have just think of it software, and it will be having so much of knowledge in it. But that is a creativity. It may have we can construct a table using the software. This is because of the creativity. And as I know, it is the best way to explore our thinking and possibilities of exploring all of them.
New possibilities, which will be very useful for new generations, which is very helpful for further new generation people.
Same thing in different ways
In our life, and using creativity improve our knowledge.
Of creativity. Now I'll give you one example by which you yourself can conclude that what is creativity, and also you can differentiate between creativity and just making the product something like. Let's take the making of some mask, something like which you wear it and play with your kids and all like that. You can make it through plaster of Paris. That's you are creating a mask, and it can also be prepared using some simple things at home, and you can make it within few minutes, and you can cope up with that. Like you can use balloons and you can make it. So if you make this, which thing you can call it as creativity? Is it by making through balloons or by making through plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris, it's a cost. You should also think about cost also. But this the one which you prepare with the balloons, it causes of less cost. Like it's some cost of 1 rupee or 2 rupee. That's it. So this is for creativity. It should be useful, and it should also be of low cost. So according to me, this is what creativity is.
About what we have ideas, then about the thing, the ideas which we have, we can extract from that. According to our idea, the product has to come out. That is creativity. Means about one thing, we think about one product or something. We think in different way. Everybody think in different way. But only some people can put their ideas into the product. That's it.
Creativity depends upon our thinking capacity. It will help to new ideas. We take certain product to make in other way. To produce in other way. Think in different way and new ideas. It is useful to every work.
Some new thinking and new ideas. We should have our own creativity to achieve something in our life. Creativity means doing a thing in a different manner. Best example for creativity is advertisements. Every day we see new ads in TV or somewhere else. That every ad will be different. So that is creativity. And even single small chocolate, they use many creative ideas to market that. And it's so creative ideas.
As you all hear from the first member, you are hearing about the creativity. Means you know the definition of creativity. So now you see you have a flower in your backyard. So if you combine that all in a single bouquet, then that will be cost of some 100 or 200 rupees. But you sell only one flower, then it will be of 5 rupees. So this is the creativity, using the single thing in a manner and group manner. So this is called
creativity. Is one of the important things in everyone's life. And one example I give you. We are know about double 1100 set. I think this is the first model of the cell. In the time interval of 4 months, color circle was introduced, and this is the compared to the double 1100 set, is something more, something new and more good and more better and more attractive.
people will show creativity in cooking, painting, and other fields.
By creativity, we can show our ideas and knowledge using different things, using same things in different way to make a new product.
Is made by creativity. When we see the nature, then we thought then we think that what is creativity? It is created by God. Then we see the made by man. Then we also think that what is creation by man. So everything is made by creativity. Creativity means new ideas. When we made some product by our own creativity, then it will give more
creativity. Creativity means doing or producing something in a different manner, that is unique manner. Creativity is a skill, I think, and creativity, every people have different things in their mind. We have to think about anything new to create, to achieve anything in our life, and create the human beings are used their mind only 5%. Even Vishweshwarya, all the scientists also use only 5% of mind. Remaining 95% nobody is used. So in future we also people use remaining 95%, I think.